Today's video is quite interesting. Yes, today we are going to talk about top 10 richest men in the world. You will be shocked after knowing their wealth. For many years, American ultra-rich people dominating the top. But this time, Asian and European billionaires are also in this list. Welcome to the Facts World. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can never miss any updates. So, let's begin. Number 10. Amancio Ortega. Amancio Ortega is one of the richest men in Europe with $67 billion and founder of Zara. Zara is the oldest clothing retailer in the world. When he was a teenager, he worked as a helper in a clothing shop. Ortega typically earns more than $400 million in dividends a year. He owns about 60% of Meredith listed Inditex and 7.5k stores around the world. Number 9. Steve Ballmer. Steve Ballmer is an American businessman and investor who served as the CEO of Microsoft for 14 years. Ballmer was hired by Bill Gates at Microsoft in 1980. He eventually became president and after replaced Gates as CEO. His total net worth is around $71 billion. Number 8. Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is chairman, chief technology officer, and co-founder of software giant Oracle. He started this company with $2,000 initial investment, in which $1.2K from his own pocket money. And now his wealth is around $78.5 billion. After Microsoft, Oracle is the biggest software maker company in the world. Ellison joined Tesla's board in December 2018 after purchasing 3 million Tesla shares earlier that year. Number 7. Warren Buffett. He is known as the Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. In his childhood, he used to sell soft drinks and chewing gum door to door. He bought his first stock at the age of 11 and first filed taxes at the age of 13. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies. Now, his wealth is around $80 billion. He has promised to donate over 99% of his wealth after his death. So far, he has given more than $41 billion, mostly to the Gates Foundation and his Kids Foundation. Number 6. Mukesh Ambani. Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani is at 6th position with $88 billion. He is the chairperson of one of the most valuable Indian company, Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance was founded by his late father, Dhirubhai Ambani, a yarn trader in 1966 as a small textile manufacturer. Before lockdown, his wealth was around $67 billion with 10th position. But during this COVID lockdown, Ambani raised more than $20 billion, selling a third of Jio to a string of investors such as Facebook and Google. Number 5. Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a business magnate, industrial designer, engineer, and philanthropist. He is the founder, CEO, CTO, and chief designer of SpaceX. Early investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla, founder of the Boring Company, co-founder of Neuralink, and co-founder and initial co-chairman of OpenAI. His net worth is around $88 billion. Elon Musk is working to revolutionize transportation, both on Earth through electric car maker Tesla and in space via rocket producer SpaceX. Number 4. Mark Zuckerberg. He is the creator of the largest social media platform, Facebook. At the age of 19, in 2004, he started Facebook. But at that time, it was only for his college students. By time, after getting funds for this project, it launched in international market. Facebook bought Instagram in 2012 for $1 billion and WhatsApp in 2014 for $19 billion. And now he is dominating the whole social media single-handedly. And now in 2020, his wealth is around $98 billion. Number 3. Now one of my favorites, Bill Gates. Bill Gates is an American inventor, software developer, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Gates co-founded Microsoft with his childhood friend Paul Allen in 1975. He had been world's richest man for 12 years. In 2000, he and his wife established a private charitable foundation. It is the world's largest private charity foundation. Right now, his wealth is around $115.8 billion. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation said they would spend $300 million to fight this coronavirus. This foundation works to improve global health and to create equal opportunity for people around the globe. To date, Gates has donated $35.8 billion worth of Microsoft stock to the Gates Foundation. Number 2. Bernard Arnault. Bernard Arnault is a French billionaire businessman and art collector. He is the chairman and CEO of Louis Vuitton. It is the largest luxury goods company in the world. In April 2018, he became the richest person in fashion. His total wealth is around $117 billion. Now, number 1. Jeff Bezos. American entrepreneur Jeff Bezos is the founder and chief executive officer of Amazon.com. His successful business ventures have made him one of the richest people in the world. He studied computer science and electrical engineering. After graduation, he worked on Wall Street. And then after 4 years, he quit his job and opened Amazon.com, an online bookstore. Between March and April 2020, in this pandemic, Amazon said it hired 175k additional workers. In April 2020, he said he would give $100 million to feed America. Bezos owns the Washington Post and Blue Origin, an aerospace company that is developing rockets for commercial use. His total wealth is around $197 billion.